history is it's not about the sound of the voice. It's how you think of the sound. Watch this. Samira Innocence. I want to ask the great King Marufu to please stop the sacrifices. Watchman, authority.
Ningizwe kahle mangikhuluma umuntu mayikhuluma vulani indlebe singasebenzisani kanzima singenzani iqela uma kukhuluma mina kuzwakale kanye.
Oracle, the ethereal. The stones have dug up a brown hyena from the sand. Why have you come to us? Adoche, warmth, endearment. Hey, Baja, listen, man. I got vegetables from the last harvest. Trade with me and I'll give you the best ones I have to offer. Why am I saying thoughts? Steal this exercise from me. Next time you go into your dramatic arts class, maybe you, Mr. Gobongel, if you want to try it as well.